I am hosting a CANuary giveaway where I have teamed up with some of my favorite canning brands to give away some of my favorite canning things. And even though I don't think that January is really the right time to be going out and buying a ton of groceries specifically for canning, I do think it is a fantastic time to be going through your freezers, cleaning things out, taking stock, maybe getting those dry beans on the shelf, doing your citruses. There is plenty to still be preserving. So I've got 2 boxes of jars from Azure Canning Co. 100 reusable canning lids, 50 regular and 50 wide mouth from Harvest Guard reusable lids. These last pretty much indefinitely, and then 50 each of the corresponding gaskets, which can each be used about 8 times each before needing to be replaced. I love my Harvest Guard lids, been using them for almost 6 years now. Super excited to be sharing this with you guys. And then from 4 jars, this amazing funnel and strainer set. It's got a great sturdy little stainless steel filter, and then a wide mouth and a regular mouth funnel. They've got a great little canning key built in, and it stacks, so it's easy storage. I really love this set. I use it constantly for all kinds of things. The Azure jars are gorgeous. They're about 10% stronger than most of the competitors on the line, so I know that they are really nice, sturdy, beautiful jars. Anyway, each one of these items are ones that I have had in my kitchen for quite a while. I love them, and I'm so excited to share them with you. All you need to do to enter is click the link in this video's description. It's gonna pop you over to my website where there is an entry form, and there are multiple ways to enter, so just give that a quick little look. Enter in as many different ways as you want. Make sure that you use your name and your email address so that I can get a hold of you if you're the winner. And then I will be drawing a randomized winner for this giveaway at the very end of the month. So keep an eye out for that. I will be posting the winner and the drawing and all of that good stuff. I am so excited to share this with you guys. Make sure you go and enter.